Hey there everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be switching out my Thunder trucks for some Fury trucks. Last time I was skating, if you guys don't remember, my Thunder truck completely blew apart. That's right, it broke apart. We'll show the quick clip right now. Yeah, I can't believe the Thunder truck actually blew apart like that. The actual broke inside there. I just don't know how that happened. Maybe it's just a manufacturer's defect, or just maybe having these trucks for a long time and taking abuse on them. But we're going to be swapping them out with some Fury trucks that I got from Greg from Replay Board Shop in Abbotsford. So I really appreciate that. They're Fury Raw. I've skated them a little bit before. As you can see, there's a little bit of wear and tear, but not quite like the Thunder. So we're going to swap these over and test them out. Just to show you guys what happened with the Thunder truck, is that right in here where the axle goes is where it actually busted, was inside there. So it's unfortunate, and you can't really replace, I'm sure you, I don't know, I don't think you can replace that part. So I think these trucks are pretty much hooped, and yeah, we're gonna swap them over for the Fury. Fury claims that they're the same weight as Thunder Lights, so one of these days I'm gonna have to test the weight on them. So of course, just like every other video, no point in sitting here and yapping and doing it, wasting time. It's time to do a montage. That's right, we're gonna do a montage. Alright, so there you go. I got the Fury trucks all hooked up, and when I was hooking up the Fury trucks, I decided to swatch over the Punisher wheels with the brand new bearings as well. The old Punisher wheels and bearings are still in good shape, so I guess if anybody needs an old pair of wheels, you can let me know. I guess the Thunder trucks, though, I only got one side of them because the other side completely blown out, so I guess this side is useless now. So let's stop yapping, and I guess we'll test out some flat ground tricks, and then another day we'll go out to a park and really test this baby out. Alright, I also forgot to mention that I added some riser pads, which basically absorb shock and impact so you don't get pressure cracks and break your board quick. Alright, so I got this all set up, and it's time to skate and test it out. As you can see, the mob grip has torn off a little bit, and that was from when I was doing that double kickflip rock fakie. Yeah, let's try this out. Oh, that feels nice. Let's do some tricks. Alright, so the Punisher board with the Fury trucks and the Punisher wheels and Punisher bearings are actually holding up and doing really well. I'm not sure if I like the Fury trucks. I do like them, but at the same time I don't know. I'll have to test them out some more and see how I like them compared to my Thunders. I always skate Thunders and I love Thunders, but at least they're not breaking apart like the Thunders did. But yeah, no, overall the Punisher board's holding off pretty good. It's getting used to skating with a brand new setup as well, brand new shoes. It's kind of hard getting used to skating both that are brand new, but obviously getting there. And now we're gonna skate some freestyle. Alright, so I was trying this new trick, but I almost had it to 360, and I almost actually had it to 540. I'll quickly show you guys, but I'm tired and I'm done. So I'm gonna have to come back to that primo 360 shove to primo. Super, super cool. As you can see, I'm just sweating like balls. But anyways, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And mind you, it's weird. This Punisher board, it's getting a little used to because it's a little bit longer and wider than the freestyle board. But doing primos is actually easier. As you can tell, I did a lot and some new ones compared to the freestyle board. So it makes a huge difference when you actually have the right trucks, the right wheels, and the right length and the distance and the width and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.